I love a good face mask, and today we're going to be using this by Purlisse. I think that's how you say it. It's an AHA PHA flash facial, but this is an exfoliating mask, so I am really excited to be using this one. The tube is pretty small, pretty slender, so I will say that. I usually use a lot of face masks, so I think I'll go through this one rather quickly. And this is what the face mask looks like, a bit like a lotion. And it feels like lotion. It's not a mask like a thick clay mask, and it spreads really nicely. It smells really good. This smells like a spa. So I love products that have that type of a scent to it because it gives you that real spa at home experience. It's an exfoliating mask, but it does not have beads in it like an exfoliating cleaner. So we're going to leave this here on the face, and then I'm gonna rinse it off as I jump in the shower today. This mask has kiwi enzymes in it, and that works to reduce redness. It has lychee in it, which supports the brightening of skin, and goji berry, which helps even out your skin tone. This mask to enhance radiance. You put this on your face, of course a cleansed face, and you let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can remove it with a damp washcloth, or in my case, we're going to jump into the shower. This is what it looks like as it's drying. It feels kind of like a powdery finish. It feels quite nice as it's drying on my face. So going back to the size of the tube, considering how little it took for me to spread this all over my face, I may be going to change my opinion on that. What ultimately matters to me is the results and how well it makes my skin feel. So before I jump into the shower, it has actually been 15 minutes that I let this sit on my face. It has the slightest stickiness touch to it, is how it feels once it has dried. If I start rubbing on it like this, I don't know if you can see that, it's like rolling off of my face. And I feel like you could really get a nice exfoliation with that right there. The rolling of this coming off of my face, here it is on my hand. So that is what this mask is like prior to actually getting it wet and washing it off. So I'm going to follow up after my shower and let you know how my face feels. The shower now, I have not even moisturized my face yet. I got dressed, combed out my hair. My skin feels so good. I looked at it close up. I have a magnifying mirror back there, and I wanted to look at the quality of my skin up close, and the mask made a nice difference in my skin. Another thing is my face doesn't feel tight. I'm one of those type of people that when I get out of the shower and I dry off and my skin gets dry, if I don't put lotion on it, it just like feels like my skin is pulling. My face doesn't feel like that, so I'm pleasantly surprised. I now will be putting on my Afterface moisturizer, and I am using Siren Silk. I'm not sure if you ever heard of that before. It's a nice creamy moisturizer. I have a lotion type of moisturizer, and then I have a thicker type of moisturizer. I use them interchangeably depending on what's going on with my skin, because sometimes I just get really dry skin depending on the season, or if I've spent a lot of time outdoor in the sun in the summer. And this one is a thicker moisturizer. I'm going to be home today relaxing, so I don't plan on putting makeup on today. So I wanted to use my thicker face cream. If you've never heard of this, it is not by the same brand as a face mask, but I just, since I'm using it, I wanted to at least call a shout out to this moisturizer. It is very nice.